Alright friends, so in this video we will discuss and see how we can add the image in our React project. So after you set up your React project, you need the image to add in your React project. So I have one image over here in my source folder, and inside my asset I have another folder called image, and I have an image called mountain.jpg, right? So we're gonna add that image over here. So how we can do that is we need an image tag. Okay, so you need to provide a source, and in React how you can do that is you have to actually import. Okay, import to import that image. So I can say import mountain. Okay, from give the relative path of that folder from your apps. So I am in right now in my component is here. This is my component, so it's on the source file. So let me just put it like the, so it's on the asset slash image slash mountain.jpg. So this is the relative path for this mountain image from my app component, right? So I just imported that image through this import method, and then you just need to provide that over here like such. Okay, you just give a curly bracket to indicate that we are using the variable JavaScript there. So you just provide mountain and whatever you want to give the alt, maybe mountain. Okay, just let me add some of the width and height for it so that it will looks little better. So let me just add 500 px and height maybe 500 px, right? Okay, if you save it and if you check it in your component has this image from here, right? So this is what we are getting right here. So this is the one way you can do it by importing the image from wherever your folder is, right? So it shouldn't be this same place, but you can put anywhere here and import it. You just have to provide your relative path to this your component, then you will be good to go. So this is the first method, right? So the second thing you have, we can import the image is through this public folder. So this public folder is kind of like a special folder in the React app. Okay, so whatever file we provide inside this public folder, we do not have to import it. If we provide the image file over here inside this public folder, we don't have to import it. We can get that image without importing the file. So how does that work is, this public folder is kind of serve as a static file directly, and in simple language it means like during this build up process, building tools like Webpack do not process this directory. Okay, so public directory, it not get processed during the build time. So it means like it include all the files inside this public folder as it is in the production build. Okay, so this allows us to reference these emails file inside this public folder with a relatively relative to its path from the root of the application without importing. Okay, so let's check what we mean by that. So we're gonna import this river. Okay, so if you are getting import, if you are want the image from the public folder, you don't have to import. You can remove this now, or let me just comment it, and then here you can directly put string over here, relative path to that public folder, right? So you have images folder inside the public, and then you have a river .jpg, right? That's the image file name. Okay, and if you save it, you can see we didn't import anything, but we still get this image river jpeg from this public folder. So the difference is, if you put the image file anywhere beside this public folder, you have to import it, but if you put it on the public folder, you don't have to import it. Okay, so that's the difference. And the next method you can do here is, if you have like some URL to your image, you can also do that from here, same as is, just let me get the link for the image. So if you have some link for the outer source of your image, or anything like that, just paste it over here, and then this way also you can add the image from the link. Okay, whatever link you have for the image from hosting, you can get it and then provide it like that also. So this is the way you can add the image in the React project. This will conclude our image video now. Thank you for watching.